Hello VMA students, today I will show you how to use a Genie AWP30. This Genie lift operates with a battery but can be plugged in when the battery needs to be recharged. A Genie lift is used here to adjust the lights in the TV studio. Our custodians here also use our lift. This Genie's maximum lift is 30 feet. The Genie lift can be used anytime for TV production when needed. We need to do a couple things before we can raise the bad boy up. I'm going to show you how to install the outriggers, level the outriggers, how to raise the platform, how to lower the platform, and how to put away the outriggers, as well as some safety tips. So with that in mind, let's get started. What we're going to need is very simple. The equipment we need is a Genie lift, this key, and the extension cord. Before we put it together, we have to have it at a firm and stable place. Step 1. The outriggers are located on the side of the base in these slots. Take 4 of the outriggers out of the main base in order by pulling them out of the slots. Step 2. Now that we have the outriggers, we need to put them into the base sockets. Place the outriggers in the base sockets until they lock in like this. You should hear a click sound when they lock in, and it sounds like this. Step 3. Check the interlock display lights at the ground controls, confirming that the corresponding light is on by leveling the outriggers. Don't touch the jack of the outrigger, because the grease on it is industrial and won't come off for a few days. Listen, during this I actually did, so yeah. Step 4, put the key into the system. Step 5. After putting the key in order to go up and down, you have to twist the outrigger interlock to release the red emergency stop button. Now after all that, we move on to step 6, the big one. Watch the action. So much fun, am I right? And last but not least, to step 7. After you are done, press these lock pins to release the outrigger from the base socket, and then you should put it back. In the end, we took out the 4 outriggers from the slots, put the outriggers into the interlock display, heard the click, checked the display lights, hopefully didn't touch the cylinder, and put the key into the system, learned how to raise and lower the lift, and then we put the outriggers away. And now you know how to use a Genie lift. Thank you all for listening to this. I hope you enjoyed.